What is going on, everybody? It is the Naughty Investor here. I hope you're having a great day. Now, in this video, we're going to be going over Steemit and DTUBE, which are both based on the Steem blockchain, and they're both social media-esque platforms. They're really content creation platforms that rewards users for creating content and curating content, okay? If we look over here, you can see how much money some people are making. $600, $400. Let's go over to nature. $145, $78. You could actually make decent money doing this, if you do it right and you are consistent with it. Now, I only do this really on the side. I don't make a lot. I don't really do Steemit and DTUBE for the money. I mainly do it just to build my channel and to, get my content over there. I have content on YouTube, I have content on DTUBE, all right? So that's just what I do. But if you are someone who has a lot of time during the day, who maybe you're retired and you're trying to build some extra money, or maybe you're not retired, you like social media, you like writing articles, Steemit could be a potential avenue for you for making money, as well as DTUBE, because if you're on YouTube, why not just upload your content to DTUBE? I'm kind of lazy with that sometimes, where I don't put everything on my YouTube on my DTUBE. However, I still try and upload occasionally on there. Now, the way this works is, let's go to a DTUBE for a moment. So what we would do is, we could actually just go into my videos, right? Let's pick out a video. These aren't all my videos, but these are some recent ones. My Ethereum sharding video. All right, so this is my video on Ethereum and what sharding means. So, Ethereum, what's sharding, okay? And I will usually put a YouTube link in there too, and you just put in your tags, right? Cryptocurrency, Ethereum, ETH, right? And then you would go to upload snap, and you'd put it, and that would be the thumbnail, okay? So I don't really have I will use this for a thumbnail, okay? And then you would just go down to submit, and it would take a couple minutes before you could submit it, because it does have to upload. I'm not going to actually upload this, or maybe I will, who knows? But that's generally the gist of it. And for Steemit, you would just go over, right? Test article, if I could spell correctly. Hello. And then you would go put in the tags, and same thing. Now, Steemit has a markdown guide, which kind of goes as far as where how you make things indented and bold and italic. That's what they mean by the markdown guide, which is on their GitHub and all that other jazz, and how to put headers and quotes. So it takes some getting used to, but it's definitely an interesting platform. I don't have a ton invested in it. I mainly use it just as another source of traffic. I don't really care about the money. I just want my content on multiple places, because YouTube is very fishy sometimes, all right? So that's Steemit, that's DTUBE. Let me know what you think about this video. Did you enjoy it? Do you use Steemit or DTUBE, and do you plan to use Steemit or DTUBE? What are your thoughts on it? Could DTUBE take down YouTube? I'd be a very, very bold proposition. I don't think it can anytime soon. Possibly in the future, if they work out some of the bugs, absolutely. But for the time being, it's a nice alternative to YouTube. And if you create videos, definitely get on DTUBE. If you write articles, definitely get on Steemit. And my Steemit will be linked below. Make sure you follow me over there, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace out.